If you are trading on a prop firm account, if you think about it realistically, to clear any prop firm account, you need about 10 to 15% on an average. But how many traders do you know who are making 10 to 15% a month consistently? Very few. If you want to clear a prop firm account, you have to take an aggressive approach. I see people who say, take your time, it's okay, take a 6-month time to clear a phase 2 or something like that. I think that's bullshit. I don't believe in that. I think with a prop firm challenge, you should treat one account as one trade, and that one trade should have sub trades inside, and you should be aggressive. You should go all out with that.
Firstly, he says you need 10 to 15% per month in order to pass a prop firm challenge. I don't know what prop firms he's using, but most prop firms require you to hit a profit target of roughly about 6%, if even that. Now let's talk about treating one account as one trade. This is totally fine unless you're using a decent prop firm, because most decent prop firms are going to know that traders are going to try to gamble their accounts away, and so they apply a consistency rule. What this means is basically that you can't trade huge size and try to just pass the challenge in one trade, because if you make more than, let's say, 50% of your profit goal, so in this case 3% in one single day, they will flag your account. So you actually can't even do this on most prop firms unless you're trading on a little bit more shady prop firms usually. Now let's say theoretically you can treat every account as one big trade. Well, guess what? Now your psychology is probably going to be way out of whack. You're probably going to be impatient. You're going to take trades you shouldn't take because you just want to win big, and you're probably going to not be able to manage your trades as well because you are going to be so fearful of losing that account. Every account you buy is going to be roughly around $130. So can you afford $130 every single time you want to take one single trade? Some people can't. But now let me tell you how I personally trade prop firm accounts and how I've gotten funded multiple times using very few evaluation accounts. The rule of thumb that I go by is that I risk 5% of my max drawdown per trade. So if my max drawdown is $3,000, I'm going to be risking roughly about $125 per trade, not $3,000 per trade. What this lets me do is basically it keeps my psychology in check, because I know that I can lose 20 times in a row before actually blowing my account, which is very unlikely versus the fact that I might just trade once and blow the entire account. And trading this way, it takes me about 1 month to pass an evaluation account, but there is such thing as copy trading. So what I'll do is I will purchase multiple evaluation accounts in one go, and then let's say trade 5 accounts at the same time, 5 evals at the same time, and pass all 5 within 1 month. So instead of gambling 5 accounts one by one, trying to pass them and basically trying to break the rules of the prop firm, I just copy trade my accounts over 1 month time. I'm basically guaranteed those accounts because I have a consistent trading strategy, whereas the other option is, again, just trying to gamble them. So now, instead of spending over $500 to get maybe 1 or 2 funded accounts because I'm gambling them away, I'll spend that $500